Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of the screen, like so, and this will bring down your toggles. And between the toggles you might see the Do Not Disturb mode, or might not. So as you can see, the toggles don't even have names, so you might need to click on the edit. This will then display the names, but I can already tell that there is no Do Not Disturb mode added. So let's swipe down and find it, and it's right over here for me. So it's called D&D, short for Do Not Disturb. And then click on the plus. This will get added to our list. Make sure you click on the check mark right here to save that change. And now when you have it in here, you're gonna hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. I recommend going through each one of these options and changing it to fit your needs. Once you have done so, you can close this and then find this toggle once more, tap on it, and this will obviously enable it. And once you're done using it, you can tap on it once again to turn it off. Alternatively, you can also set up a schedule, which means that you just need to enable the schedule in the settings once you set it up, and you wouldn't need to do anything extra. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.